Fotor is a versatile online photo editing and graphic design tool that offers a range of features for users of all skill levels. Whether you're looking to enhance photos, create designs, or edit images, Fotor provides an intuitive platform with easy-to-use tools. Here's a guide on how to effectively use Fotor for various tasks. Create an account. You can sign up for a free account or log in through social media platforms like Google or Facebook. This allows you to save your projects and access premium features if needed. Navigate the interface. Fotor's interface is clean and user-friendly. It consists of different sections such as editing, collage, design, and camera. You can easily switch between them to access various tools. Photo editing features. Upload images. Start by uploading your image by clicking Edit a Photo and choosing files from your device or cloud storage. Editing tools. Fotor offers basic and advanced editing options. Enhance. Automatically optimize images with one click. Crop, rotate, and resize. Adjust image dimensions and orientation. Filters and effects. Apply artistic filters, overlays, and effects to make your images pop. Retouch and clone stamp. Remove blemishes or unwanted elements with retouching tools. Design and graphics creation. Design tools. For creating graphics, Fotor provides pre-designed templates for social media posts, flyers, invitations, and more. Custom designs. You can create designs from scratch by adding shapes, text, icons, and images using the drag and drop feature. Collage making. Collage feature. To create photo collages, select the collage option, upload images, and choose from various layouts. Customize each photo's position, size, and spacing. Exporting your work. Save and export. Once your design is complete, click Save to download it in formats like JPEG, PNG, or PDF, depending on your project's needs.